Yes? Okay. I'll just play it first. Delayed it and I forgot. So what we're getting at with this video is to transition. It's a transition video between this accompaniment style and this accompaniment style. Okay, so the blues shuffle pattern and the walking bass, right? The structure, the underlying structure rhythmically is the same. The chord structure is basically the same. A blues is a blues is a blues. A blues is a sort of a special category. It's a cultural thing that has evolved in the United States over the past almost 200 years. But when you say let's play a blues in this particular context, this corner of the blues world, you are playing a 12-bar cycle. Mm-hmm. It starts on the 1 chord, it goes to the 4 chord, goes back to the 1 chord, up to the 5 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, and then you have a turnaround. It's basically the structure of a blues. Now, there's thousands of variations of that. So the walking bass is more of a jazz style, more like a swing style. Mm-hmm. So it's a bit more complicated harmonically. You're adding in your E minor 7 flat 5, your A 7 flat 9, your D minor 7 flat 5, and a more special G 7 flat 9 flat 13. That makes it more spicy. It's more spicy that way, right? Which is all just stylistic. These are stylistic differences. But the jazz style blues evolved from the simpler style blues. And in fact, this blues shuffle is pretty sophisticated compared to the original type of blues, which would be more of just singing over just a more simple pattern. But I mean, it could just be like this kind of thing, but very vocal driven kind of stuff. Anyway, but the underlying rhythm is the same. So now I'm going to play that exact solo, corrected, but with the walking bass. So you can see, well, actually, I'm going to do the accompaniments first. So with the shuffle, if I just stay and see, right, it's the same as this. Right. So you're still doing the walking bass. Now, the comfort level of it, like I like both those tempos. I mean, it's the same tempo, but a shuffle tends to be a little bit more slow, right? A walking bass tends to be a bit faster, so. Right? So. Which becomes a little bit uncomfortable to play. But anyway, at this point, you want to keep it pretty slow, because you want to be able to switch back and forth. Playing all of your blues solos, like I'm about to do, with both accompaniment styles will really start to solidify the concept into your brain. So now. Right, you can throw that turnaround. You can
still
substitute. Yeah.
Okay.
Or you could, you can go, what is it? Go back to your jazz chords. Does that make sense? So you could do either of those. That's why, this is the jazz turnaround stars here. You're gonna go. Oh, I'm sorry, here. There it is. So it's that last C, A, D, G. Okay? So. They are the same. So all those little solos, try to put them over this. It's going to be much more difficult. But while it's going to be challenging to be playing this more, it's more of a counterpoint line. It's more of a different melody. By putting stuff against it, it's going to expose the weaknesses in there, and you're going to be able to fix them, ideally. So it's going to strengthen your left hand.
Okay. All right. And I stick